Hey guys, I already got some makeup on, but I want to show you that I need more makeup because in the last vlog, the Game Master took it. Well, not on the last vlog. I didn't even do a vlog for it. And the Game Master anyway took it. So, also I got a new haircut. But I'm going to put on this contour. Well, is it contour? I don't know. I put it on this blender. I put like that much on. And I do it again. Okay. Then I kind of dab it. And then like this. That and then. And then just blend it in. You have to put it everywhere on your skin. And sometimes I even get more if I don't have enough. But sometimes I don't need it, but now I do. I put like way less. Gotta put it everywhere because then people are gonna look like, oh my god, she put makeup on. And I'm like, oh my god, she has multi-skin. Okay, I'm done. Now, gonna close this up. By the way, yesterday when I was putting on makeup, I had to leave early, and then the Game Master, I guess, came in because I watched my security cameras and I saw the Game Master. So because I always watch the security cameras when I get home. It's like if I don't, I asked my mom if she can help me put on mascara. Mommy! Mommy! Can you help me? You put on mascara.
Oh, yeah. Yes, florzinha.
Can you help me?
Okay, come here. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Okay, wow. Open, close. No. Open, close. Open, close. Wow. Let me see. Okay, let me see the bottom part.
Oh no.
Just open. Okay. Look beautiful.
Okay guys, I got my mascara on. Also, I'm putting on makeup because I'm going to a birthday party, which is for a grown-up. So everyone's gonna wear makeup. My mom. I might do a makeup tutorial for my mom later. So it's my makeup tutorial if you didn't know that. So I think I'm done with the video. If you liked it, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye! Notification bell.